Hello everybody, Lisa here with another unboxing. It's still Bank Holiday Sunday morning. I've just filmed an unboxing of my Paper Maze monthly kit, and I wanted to show you this one, which is the Lottie Loves Paper April kit. I know the May kit will be out soon, or may already be out, but there was a discount code, so I decided to make the most of it and grab the April kit because I really quite liked it. I thought I'd show you. Now, I haven't taken it out of the box. I haven't even looked at it really. I just wanted to show you how beautifully it came wrapped. Look at that. Tissue paper, which is really sweet. I will be saving that to use on something else, as you will, as you do. And inside I have my plastic baggie. Oh, excuse all the crinkling. Let's just move that out of the way. With my goodies in. Hooray! Okay. Oh, loving the colours already. They're so pretty. Everything seems to be pretty today. It's a lovely day outside. It's not the brightest inside, so apologies for the if the colours aren't quite vibrant as they should be. Take my word for it, these are gorgeous. Okay, so with Lottie Loves Paper, when you buy the kit is actually an embellishment kit, and then the papers are an add-on. So what I'm going to do is show you the I'm going to show you the papers first. So I think what it says all over the web pages is what you buy is the embellishments, and the papers an add-on. You don't get it automatically, so you have to make sure you purchase both. Okay, first things first. This isn't part of the kit. I put this just to see it was lovely. Schmel's Box of Crayons Snapshot. Isn't that just gorgeous? Just love the colours of that. So while I was there, I added that on. I'm going to move that out of the way because I don't want you to think that's part of the kit. Okay. So, cardstock. Do you know what? I'm going to have so much cardstock. It's great. There's 3 in there. This one is gorgeous colour. This one's called Whirlpool. Then I have Coconut Swirl. Coconut Swirl is smooth. That's got the linen effect on, the Whirlpool one has. And this is another one with the linen effect, and it's called African Daisy. Gorgeous. And then we have the papers. Let's start from the first one. This is Dear Lizzie, Stay Colourful, Flower Child. Let's have a look. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. Really pretty colours. That yellow is perfect, and the tealy colour, what colour is that? Is it teal? Is it green? I don't know. It's beautiful, whatever it is. Gorgeous. On the back, oh, loving that. It's a very little, so you can see that, daisy flower, and I'm really liking that branding strip. There we go. So that's the first paper. The second one is from the same range, Dear Lizzie, Stay Colourful, Groovy. And this one is groovy. It's quite 60s, isn't it? You can see me cutting some of those out. Really nice. I love the fact that some of them are white and some of them are coloured in. Fantastic. Wow. And on the back, look at that for bright. Red with a pink drawn check on it, and the branding strip, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Fantastic. Loving that. The next one, this is what sold the kit to me, to be completely honest. This is, look at it, it makes me so happy, this does. The Bright Side. And it's called Happy Feet. Oh, look at those wellies. Fantastic. Brilliant. And on the back there's a pink, pale pink with a red dot. Right. Next up is again from The Bright Side, and it's called The Bright Side. Hopefully you can see that there. It's look on the bright side, written over and over again. And on the reverse there's very pale aqua with a little triangle on it. Loving it. Next one is this one, which is Stay Colourful again, and it's called Bell Bottom Blue. That's so pretty. Isn't that lovely? matches this really well. And again, a grid on the back. Look at, oh, this is fantastic. Beautiful. And not quite last. It's again from the bright side, it's called The Good Stuff. And it's The Good Stuff written over again. It is that white? Just slightly off, I think. Black on white. And the background, whoa. Almost a herringbone, and that's making my eyes go funny. In red with white. And then the last one is this one. Same collection again, the bright side, and it's Good Vibes. And that's sort of like scribbled, doodled on splodges. Oh, but the back is superb. I love that. White dashes on a black background. That's the side I like. Yeah. Okay, that's the papers, which are just fantastic. And then we have the embellishments. So, right, it's the bright side again. Hopefully you can see that. And it's chipboard stickers. Fantastic. I love this scooter. You make me super duper happy when skies are grey. Oh, I like the numbers as well. Fantastic. Loving that. Then we have, again from the Bright Side collection, puffy stickers, but they kind of look like enamel dots. They're very, very shiny. Hopefully you can see that. They are really nice. The colours again, all sort of blending in. Then there's this, which is the Dear Lizzie washi tape book. I've actually gotten some more in this set, so I'm quite pleased with this. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. So that it doesn't get damaged, it's got a cover for it. That's so clever. Right, so washi tape. Let's show you what there is. Very bright colours, very ice cream colours. Loving the numbers. And oh, happy day. Hello, sunshine. These are beautiful. And they feel like washi tape. They're washi tape consistency. That's the wrong word. Oh, I love that. And that looks like colourful raindrops. Right, so that's that one. And then finally, there's this little baggie with some more pretty bits in. This has got these three resin embellishments. These are American Crafts, Dear Lizzie. I think they're at the Stay Colourful range as well. Pleased with those. And then these are from Fancy Pants, I think. Tags, labels, die cuts, journaling tags. Wow, look at that one. I love the different shapes to these. I like that one. It's very Disney, red and white spots. Yeah, I'm pleased with those. And that's the kit. So, just to recap, I had the embellishment kit, which is the chipboard, the puffy stickers, the washi, and the journaling tags and the little resin trio of things. I had the add-on paper pack, and then the 3 cards or the add-on cards. So you buy the cards separately and the papers separately. I'm really pleased with that. I'm looking forward to having a go at it. Yeah, watch this space, see what I make. Thanks for watching. Bye.